Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry D in Tennessee. I want to talk about GameStop tonight. This has been a crazy, crazy day for this stock. So, this stock spiked today. I mean, it was like a buying, selling frenzy all day today on this stock. So, I noticed early morning this thing had spiked. I mean, well, it went up in price. And there's been some, I guess you might say, bad publicity. There's somebody come out with a story that they thought that GameStop should be only worth $20 a share. And it got a lot of bad publicity on Reddit, and it blew up on the guy. People were trying to hack his website, this company's website, over this story, and they were planning a live feed to talk about the stock. And due to all the bad, the threats and the people trying to somebody was messing with the website apparently, and they canceled the live feed. So it just goes to show bad news will cause a stock to spike too. This actually helped GameStop stock today in some ways. It's crazy. It's really crazy. So I noticed early this morning that it had spiked. It come up. Okay, so this stock started going up about a little past $110 a share. I thought, well, maybe I need to get into this stock. This might be a good day. But the thing is, this spike went up so fast. Okay, this is probably within 45 minutes, it jumped up to $159. Was the highest price share traded. Yeah, $159. So within an hour, this stock had jumped from, it had dipped right here. And this doesn't look like it's the whole story. Maybe if I go out 3 days. If you look back, okay, last Friday, Thursday, Friday, this stock's around $40 a share. Okay, and then today, I mean, pre-market, this thing went from $60 on up to over $100. Okay, so I got to look at this stock. I'm thinking, man, this stock is moving. And to give you an idea, let's do this. To give you an idea, this is probably not set up right like what I was planning on doing. No, this is not. So I don't want to show you this one yet. This is one I want to look at. So here's a normal stock. Let's look at Blue Spear today, because Blue Spear come back up today. Blue Spear, I think it's just kind of leveling up. So this is a normal day trading with a stock. This is kind of how normally you see sales going through. This is the time in sales up here. This is your L2 showing the prices as they go through per trade. This is the ask. That's the people trying to sell the stock. This is the bid. People trying to buy the stock. And one side or the other is going to drop or raise the price to get the sale to go through if you don't have a match. And that's how it kind of works. And that's how the price of the stock's going up and down. The red lines are the price going down. The green lines are the price going up on the stock. Those are this is a normal way that you see stocks traded, and this is about the normal speed that the trades are going through on the stock, unless you have what you have going on today. So let's stop this. And let's watch my next video. So this is kind of what GameStop was doing today. The prices are going through and the sales are going through so fast you can't keep up with. This is the very first of the spike as it's going up. It's already up to 120 right here. And you can see you can't keep up with the price. It's going so fast. I mean, the stock is moving. There's so many people trading the stock. It's crazy. So this is very, very dangerous to try to trade. And there's a lot of people, this is how a lot of people make their money. They look for spikes like this, and they're trying to get in here and they want it to spike high. But the problem with this kind of spike is you can lose money very quickly. You can blow your whole account. So, I mean, I tried to get into this, to be honest, okay? I was trying to get into this. I was trying to trade this stock this morning as it was spiking. I could not get my order to process with this stock because I'd go and set my order to buy the stock and the price would go up before I could get my order put through. So then I'd have to go and change my order and up my price, and I kept upping the price. And at about $130 a share, I'm thinking, if I do get in, this stock is probably going to drop drastically in price, and I'm going to be stuck, and I'm going to be in the negative big time on this stock. I'm going to be taking a big loss if I try to get out of this stock. And you really don't know what it's going to do, what the stock will do later, if it's going to go back up as high as it did. It probably won't. Reality, it probably won't. It might go up a little bit, but it's not going to go like it did today. I mean, it went up to $159 a share, was the highest price traded, which was crazy. All right. I'll show you another video here of the same stock while it's going. And I mean, it's moving. $134 a share. And I mean, you can't keep up with the price. It's going so fast. There's so many shares going through this, at this point in time, that you can't keep up with it. I mean, you're better off to have bought the stock 3 days before and been in the stock and try to dump the stock. Or had a pre-order set up, maybe 30% profit or something, and dump the stock. But you don't know that the stock's going to do this. You really don't know what the stock's going to do. So, but I mean, this is how crazy the prices go through, and people like Tim Sykes and others have made money that way. But it's very risky. It's a gamble, and it's very risky to try to trade like this. But there's people traded, and I'm sure people made money, and I know people have lost money today on this stock. And I kind of got emotional about the stock trying to get into this. I mean, I'm being honest with you. I was trying to get into this, trying to trade into this, and try to get into this spike, so I could try to sell and maybe reap a little profit off of it. But then I had I don't know, I had a feeling that if I got into this stock, I was having problems getting my orders executed, and I thought, well, if I get into this stock, I may not be able to get out of it and sell it before I go into the red, and then I'm stuck. I mean, at the end of the day, when the price is down at the bottom and the trading slows down, yeah, you could probably get out. But at that point, you've done lost your money. I mean, you either sell at a loss or hold the stock and wait for the next spike and hope that just wait till it gets up past the point to where you had bought in, so you can at least come in with either break even or you can make a small profit. But that could be a year, that could be 2 years, that could be 3 years down the road with one of these spikes. So, okay, let's close this window. So let's go to the snapshot. So the day's range, okay, was from $61.13 up. It jumped to $159.18. It's crazy insane. It closed out the day at $76. Okay, so if I got in at $130. All right, and then I'm turning around and make an order to try to sell, and I can't get out of the stock because so many orders are going through, and the stock drops to $76. Well, I guess I have a little bit of a wait for another spike, which it could spike again. I don't know. You don't know what they're going to do till it moves. It depends on who's trading the stocks, how excited people, how bad they want to get into the stock. It's the people trading the stock determines what the stock's going to do. That's just how it works. That's just what happens. I mean, if nobody's wanting to buy the stock, nobody wants to get into this stock, then no orders are going to go through. So it's back to that old classic car. If you wanted a Shelby 67, 68 Shelby Cobra Jet Mustang, that's a highly coveted car that people collectors like to have. It's on how bad do you want that car and how much do you want to pay for that car versus how much does the current owner wants, how much are they willing to sell the car for. It's the same thing. It's all in how much are you willing to pay to get into this stock versus how much, who's willing to take a certain price to get out of the stock. You got a buyer and a seller, and that's what's affecting this price right here. And this had a lot of excitement, a lot of activity. This is not normal. Wall Street grows wary of stock bubbles. Yeah, this is not. But I mean, stocks do. Stocks do spike. I mean, I've reported videos on. I mean, this is just what's been happening in the past year. There's been a lot of these happening in the past year. But all of this was off of a guy that created he did an article on GameStop and claimed that the stock really should be worth $20 a share, and that's got a lot. This went viral. Reddit, there's a lot of things on Reddit about this stock, and it's just caused a crazy spike today. And congratulations on anybody that made money on this, and I really feel for somebody that ended up getting stuck in this poor stock because, well, so what's the price been over the year? This is the highest price it's ever been, maybe. I mean, look at this back here. It's been as low as $3-4 a share in 1 year. So And I think I got the impression, I could be wrong, and feel free to leave a comment if somebody knows more than me about this whole situation about this stock in the article. Feel free to put the information down below the video. I'm fine with that. So, but keep it positive, and let's not have any haters on this. Let's try to keep this channel positive. But the stocks went up. It's grown. And I thought this, what I read was the thing come out and like around between the 12th and the 15th. Something like that. I can't remember. And the guy said that this stock should really just be worth $20 a share. And I almost sounded like he was trying to down the stock, like it shouldn't be worth any more than what it was at the time. It was above that. But I don't know. I did some quick research. It got my attention today. Stocks to trade. The screener, it showed up on the screener, and it's like, wow, that's crazy. I started watching the stock, and yeah, it was moving so much. I got excited. I'm like, I'm gonna see if I can jump in this stock. But maybe it's a good thing I couldn't get in. It's probably a good thing I couldn't get my orders executed, because it's a good chance I would have got stuck in this stock and I would have been in the red at the end of the day. Like I said, as fast as this went up, and then bam, it dumps. The price dumps and comes on down. It closes at 76. If you'd bought in, whoever bought in at $159, I feel for you, because you're sitting there holding what they call a bag holder. So, but it's interesting. I mean, this is just a prime example. And you have to really be careful. Like I said, you have to be careful, because if you get stuck in this stock like that, you're holding a bag, you're in the negative, and it's like you really don't want to have a lot of money tied up into this and be in the red. Somebody sent me a snapshot. Here's a guy, if you see the sticker name right here, GME. And right down here, look where my mouse is at the bottom of the screen. Today's return was negative $84,258.36. A lot of people end up like this. I mean, it'll happen quick when it happens, and then you're like, man, what was I thinking? So be careful, okay? Be careful. This is just 1,611 shares. I guess he bought it at 121, so that's right around where I was trying to buy in at too. It's not me. This is not my account. This is somebody sent me a screenshot of an account, so their brokerage account. So yeah, that's just crazy. Be careful, okay? The moral of this story is be careful. Because, I mean, when it goes south, when you're trading stocks and it goes south, it can go south in a bad way, and it'll leave you in a bad way. You can blow your account up. So, again, trade scared, trade smart, trade informed. Do not invest any money that you're not willing to lose, because this is proof positive that you can lose money. You can lose it fast. This spike happened fast. You saw how fast those trades were going through. Back up the video and look at it again. They were moving. I've not sped up that is real time video. I've not sped it up or doctored it in any way. Okay, that's the way it was going through when I was looking at E-Trade Pro. So that's just the way it happens. I like the Blue Spear stock. It was on a gradual climb. You're less likely for a drop like that this quick. in a stock that's going up. If it's a gradual climb up, more than likely it's going to be a gradual climb or descent on the other end when it starts going down. So, yeah, just be careful, folks, if you're watching. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not telling you to buy into this stock. I'm just giving an example of what happened today, talking about what happened today. I'm sure people's made money today off of this spike. Again, it would have been hard because, like I said, my orders didn't want to go through, and it's probably a blessing for me that it did not, because I could have got stuck like this other guy did. At a negative $84,000. That would just been, that's a bad day. That's a bad day, and to come out of that. You're going to have to make 100% of that back to come back and break even. You're going to have to trade and make that much trading, 100% of that trading, that negative 84,000, to break even for today's loss. That's how bad that is. That's a house. He lost a house today trading this stock. But people do it. But don't give up now. You're going to lose money if you're going to trade stocks. It's going to happen. You're going to get in a bad trade. You're going to lose money. But if you're careful and you control your trades, you don't get emotional about it, and you play it smart, you can cut your losses quickly. If you can get out of a bad trade fast before it goes into a big negative, there's no shame in losing $50, $60 on a trade. Okay, $500 loss is better than $4,000 or $5,000 loss. Try to keep your losses to a minimal. You want more wins than you want losses while you're playing this game. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. I appreciate you coming by, and love for you to click on the like button if you like the video. I'm going to come out with more of these videos. I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Click the bell to be notified when I have new videos come out. So that helps the algorithm. It keeps pushing me out. I'm up to 120 subscribers now, so I'm slowly gaining subscribers. That's not much. I don't make any money off of this. I don't have enough subscribers, and I don't have enough views to make any money off of this. But I enjoy doing it. But I hope everybody has a good night. Hopefully nobody got stuck in this stock. I feel for you if you did, because that's a pretty significant drop on the price by the end of the day. So maybe it'll do something tomorrow. We'll see. I'll be watching it tomorrow after the market opens. So anyway. Appreciate you stopping by. If you made it this far, thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Everybody have a good night, and hopefully everybody has a profitable week. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.